Yep.
How about that?
That is how you get high.
Can you see it? Maybe I should do happy.
Oh yeah, she's super happy right now. All Nancy needs right now is just need to get a little high.
Super cute. Should we do more? Just leave it there and do some crystals on it.
Crystal at the bottom. And look, this is way too bright for a camera.
I know, it's so, you have to experience this one in person because it's so sparkle. Okay. Oh, you know what? We have a money sign right there. I'm going to put the money on it. Where's that money?
Go ahead.
Oh.
Money.
Is it where's the money?
No. And so Sophia won palm tree.
Palm tree on this one, Sophia? Well, next one we'll do palm tree. Let's see.
$100. Find the happy. Yeah, there you go. That.
It's blending. Keep in mind, you can do a different background. It's gonna look stunning as well. So I'm just playing with this with all of you. Oh, hey, this is cool though. Look, a money sign.
That's a big piece.
Hold on. How can I get that by itself? Cutting it.
I'll just detach it.
Oh my God.
You cover everything with that though. It's too big.
Too big?
Too big. You should dedicate a whole nail just for that.
The cat's a green leaf. Oh, I want something brighter. So now crystals.
Yep. Do bright crystal.
I'm gonna do bright crystal. This is so fun. I can't wait to do more with that. And you can cut that once. The little big piece, I almost cutting it, but then he will stop me because otherwise I'll cover whole entire fusioning. Now we're going with our condensed glue gels. Make sure you apply it enough. You don't want to be too thin, but also you don't want to be too thick. Too thick is going to be flooded your crystals. Too thin is not going to really adhere your crystal properly. So you see that I apply it enough or untie the nails because I'm going to do crystals along with a lot of different design. So I don't want to not have enough to work with. No white. Tony. Okay, Nancy, I see you. Stay tuned for next the money. Sophia, say the money. You like that, Sophia? There's so many colors. I can't wait to do more as fun though. Like wait until next time we're doing like pot lips with neon pigment. That'd be so stunning. My picker. I think I put my picker back over there. Thank you. All right, everyone. Where my crystal? I need the gold crystal. Oh.
Get the yellow.
Hold on. I got the money side. I'll be right back. I need the money size right now. There are two different money sizes. One with being is one is the charms and one encapsulating. So I can't wait to say I can't doing it without that. So let's see what we're getting in here. Oh yeah, I think Sarah did the money size one and it looks so stunning, so we can't miss that. Let's do some green and go. It's not like we are going to getting, that's green is enough. Do you think this green is like dark green? A lighter green. Joanna. The lights are green. Okay, we can do that. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side right here, and I'm gonna do gold beads. Sorry, my station is getting busy right now because I can't. Oh, thank you. Maybe I do the big one. Should I do a big one? I should encapsulate this one. Look at that. Haha. But I already did this. Look at that. I kind of like that one too. This one is huge. Is that this way? The one way?
I think it's the same way. You can do it either way. I know, actually, that's the back. That's the back. You're right.
I just want, but it's too big. No.
Oh, bottom. You get that like the big centerpiece right into the pot. There you go.
And then it's so bright. You probably might not see it because the reflection is so bright now. I feel like it couldn't focus on it. Like I couldn't see it even because it's so.
Take this away. Get more thing to focus on. There we go. That's a tad better.
I have clients who ask for this pot leaves too, so it's gonna be fun to doing it for them. I'm not worried about this one. It's gonna stay on good. Okay. Where's my go beads right there?
Go beat?
Yeah.
Right.
Please. One more money. And the best way to do it, all the crystal placement looks cool, stunning by have them really close and tight together. The closer, less space between each other, I mean each crystals is better because they will connecting together and they will never like really red. They're gonna come off. I can't wait because this one like we can do this. this lip with the dripping lips as well. We have some really cool dripping lips and stuff. Alright everyone, if you like it, we can clear this one.
Alright, you ready, kid?
Yep, 60 seconds.
Make sure this one too.